cryptocurrency is just a version of digital currency. We all use digital currency almost every day, next to nobody has cash anymore. It's just that cryptocurrency is the name that's given to a currency that uses blockchain technology as its backend.
You can do a lot these days. In the early days you couldn't, but these days you can have cryptocurrency credit cards where you can spend at McDonald's or your local convenience store without them actually even realizing you're paying with cryptocurrency.
Okay, now blockchain is data that everyone can agree on because it's protected by hash functions and digital signatures. Now the hash function says this has not been tampered with, and the digital signature says that the person who controlled the information is okay with this transaction. And it's a collection of these transactions bound together by the hash functions.
It's the new wheel. You know what I mean? Somebody went and invented a wheel to make it easier to drag something up a hill. Okay, that's great. Take a big wheel, attach it like a small wheel, and you've got a reduction gear. Add some teeth to it, and you've got gears and the mechanisms for clocks and machines and all sorts of stuff. Blockchain is a technology that can be used for decentralized finance, for legal contracts, will have huge impact on real estate, supply chain, tracking of inventory, and with digital twins, tracking of real-world objects and things of that nature as well.
The world's their oyster if they want to get into blockchain, anywhere from decentralized finance, NFT marketplaces, you name it, supply chains, medical verification, there's everything.
Decentralization is a whole lot of anonymous people helping you, basically to do a job.
Well, decentralized finance is just like your regular centralized finance in a big brick and mortar bank, except it's done across the internet with a group of people you've never met and have no reason to trust except for the cryptology. So it sounds like magic, but it does work.
Non-fungible token is what it stands for. Non-fungible meaning that it can't be replaced with another of the same type. Unlike your cryptocurrencies where, one Bitcoin is, if I own a Bitcoin and you own a Bitcoin, same Bitcoin. Well, it's interchangeable. But with an NFT, it's not. It's one of.
An NFT could be anything from a piece of art, someone's music, a football game ticket, and who knows what else an NFT could be in the future.
The metaverse is trying to be Second Life with a blockchain at the end of the day. It's got good points, it's got bad points in that regard, because basically like any game or virtual environment, it can be exploited. So that's where things need to be kind of gate-kept. Yes, it's on the blockchain, which means it's generally decentralized, which makes trying to gatekeep it a bit harder as well. But also it allows more distribution of where people can actually access it.
It's the best we've got. No one knows how to break these hash functions, and even though people would want to break the elliptic curve digital signatures, they don't know how. Elliptic curve is a kind of group system which does not fall prey to the index calculus attack. That would be a technical way of doing it. So because elliptic curves are strange, we don't know how to break them.